Hi, you guys. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Stephanie. So today I'm going to be unboxing a new Moterm that I picked up. So by the title, you can see that I picked up Moterm for my mini disc bound planner. Unfortunately, I feel like Happy Planner is just not coming out with enough accessories for the mini. That's probably not their big seller. I'm sure their classic and their big are their sort of bread and butter. So that's what they make a lot of accessories for. So unless you can kind of snag one on Zulily, which I did, that is going to take probably like another month or two to come. And because they ship, so if you're not familiar, Zulily will ship from the warehouse. So Happy Planner, I believe they order like in a bulk. Then from there, they will ship to you. So they have to wait for it to get there and then ship to you. But it is discounted, so you kind of have to wait. So I'm going to show you what my new cover looks like. I ordered this on Amazon, and I am loving that I can order some of their options from Amazon. There was a $4 discount because it would be cheaper to not have to wait for it to come all the way from AliExpress, which is based in China, to Canada. So this is the package you get. So let's open it. So this is it. This is their typical packaging, which it will usually come in some type of plastic cover. Sorry for the noise. And then you always get one of their really nice black, very sturdy cases. I do keep them in here. I think the other day, if I'm not mistaken, I seen someone saying not to keep them like in their packaging. But for me, to keep the dust off and stuff, I like to keep it in here. So let's take a look. So you always get, so the black box, very sturdy, and then also you get a dust cover, which is always some type of like faux suede with a drawstring. So, you know, if you are going to be packing up or if you're traveling, it is such a nice cover to be able to take with you to keep your planner in like integrity, or keep your planner intact. So that's what I love about it. So here is their mini cover. So I'm going to show you quickly as well what the features look like in here and if I think that this is worth it. So I believe that this price point was around, I want to say low $60 Canadian. So it would probably be cheaper USD. So it just has always the silver hardware, which if you're the type of person that doesn't like silver, that might be an issue. But I mean, once you close it, you don't notice that there is silver. So it is just gray on gray stitching in here. And it is just the cover. So all of the Moterms that I've purchased always have some type of like back, like large slot. It does kind of prevent it from really lying very flat. It's not so much an issue because it just puffs up a little bit here, but for the most part, it will look like this. So you always have some type of like secretarial pockets at the front and back. So you have a large one here at the front, then you have a secondary one, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pockets where you could put cards, stuff like that. So let me grab one of these and I could show you. So here is like what probably typically a credit card size would be, and they fit in here nicely. So if you wanted to put, you know, 1 or 2 cards here, you could do that. But these other ones, as you go up, maybe some are a little bit deeper, as you can see how deep that one is. So if you put a card, it would go in. Then there's this one, and these up here will fit credit cards a little bit more comfortably. And then you have a third secretarial pocket here. And then on this side, you have 2 slots. So these are perfect to slide your planner in here. So I usually use this back cover to slide anything in for any of my other disc bound systems. And I probably will cut this off because this style, even though it says for a mini HP, I think they still put this in here for like, if you had like a HB size notebook, then you could use this like for a stylogy sort of notebook style to mark your pages. But I find I would never probably use a notebook like that in here. and this gets in the way, especially with the disc bound. So I probably will cut that out. And then you have here this elastic on one side. So with the elastic here, you have like the leather at the front of it. Then you do have two other pockets. So you have this one that you can open up here. You can put stickers, stuff like that in there. And then you have another one where you could probably stick stickers or anything that you need to access easily. So I love the fact that with Moterm, like there's a lot of storage. So you're going to be able to get, for me, a lot of use out of it. If you wanted to create, to use this as even a carry-all wallet, you could put your cards here, and I'm going to show you. So here is my mini happy planner, and it just slides in the back here. These are on mini disc. I don't know how well a classic size would fit in here. Actually, you know what? I think you could get away with a classic size because as you see, they give you lots of room here. So let me grab a classic size disc and see how it would look. Okay, so here is my classic size, and let's see if this would fit in here comfortably. I feel like you could get away with probably a classic size, but I probably will not use one. Like that is what it looks like if it were to be on a classic size. It'd be a little too chunky for me. I don't keep all of my months all at once, but just to give you an idea, I think you probably could get away with having classic size because you do have an alt option of having it either closer or further back. So even if you do get chunky, as you can see, you have a lot of room. So yeah, I think you could get away with a classic disc on this particular happy planner cover. So that's it. I'm going to be setting this up hopefully for the month of October soon. So that will probably be next. And let me know if you own this HP mini cover. I believe this was just gray as an option. And let me know if you love it, if you think it works. If you do have it on classic discs, does it bother you or is it perfect fit in here? So that's everything for this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you're not already subscribed, hit subscribe on your way out. And then I will see you guys on another video. Bye.